Pleased to introduce you with a human resource staffing company, Piscean. Pan-India presence with 100% compliance, fast recruitment with digitalized payroll, timely payment with minimum attrition. Need an employee in Kashmir or Kanyakumari, Delhi or Mumbai, Gujarat or Guwahati? Piscean can help you search, shortlist, interview and then bring the employees on board across 29 states of India. Sounds challenging? Need to start business or need to expand your existing enterprise? Diwali approaching requires scaling up of production and marketing. Wish to start a new process and like to outsource it? Fed up with the labor department? Require 100% compliance? Do not want to pay cash? Oops! The law does not allow you after demonetization. Expedite your salary payment and that too online. Now that you recognize our benefits, let us figure out what services you can get from Piscean. You want to put your existing staff on Piscean's payroll? No issues. Your existing staff can continue to work with you, but all the entire temporary staffing process is outsourced to our company. So no searching, no shortlisting, no interviews, no onboarding, no payrolling, no training, no skilling and no compliance. Just focus on your core business service. That's why you're here in the industry. To expand business and to earn profits. Leave all your human resource to us. Wondering what will be the process of putting your existing employees on payroll? Just sign a contract and leave the balance to be managed by Piscean professionals. Not month, neither week, only a couple of days and the employee process cycle is on. Simple, easy and quick. Now you concentrate on the performance of employees rather than on human resource processes. Issuance of appointment letter, maintaining attendance, processing payroll, compliance, salary payment, all of it is our duty. So yours is 15-member startup or 25,000 employee enterprise level organization. However simple or complex your HR process or rules may be, I'm sure you'll look for productivity, accountability and trust to engage in business. Piscean provides end-to-end staffing solution with the philosophy of work with difference. We have a scalable module with hire to retire philosophy. So what are you waiting for? Let's get staffing.